Hello students. In today's class we are going to learn about informal invitations. Dear children, the topic formal invitations and their replies we have finished. Okay? First of all, let us see the main characteristics of informal invitations. Informal invitations follow the pattern of ordinary personal letters. These letters are written to relatives, friends and acquaintances. These letters are first, second person presentations. As earlier children, I had told you that the formal invitations in printed card form, they follow the third person. They are written in third person, but informal invitations are written in first and second person. Personal feelings and emotions find an expression. Here you can express your personal feelings. The writer's address is given in the usual place. The salutation is usually dear plus name of the person whom we are writing the invitation. Okay. The date of writing is given, but the year is generally omitted. The style and tone are relaxed and informal. Different tenses are used as the sense demands. The complimentary clause is yours sincerely. All right. Now, children, let us have a look of a solved question of informal invitations. Question is, Rohit has got success in CBSE PMT. He wants to celebrate his admission to Shivaji Medical College, Nagpur, by throwing a party to his friends. Write an informal invitation giving details of venue, time, and date. Do not exceed 50 words. It means your word limit will be 50 words. Now, here is the answer of this question. First of all, we write the address of the sender, and the address is 33 by 427 Priya Vihar, New Delhi. Date 5th June 2020. Now the salutation, dear Varun. You will be glad to learn that I have secured 80th rank in the CBSE PMT competition. I have got admission in a prestigious institution, Shivaji College, Nagpur. I want to share a few happy moments of my life in the company of my old friends at a dinner in the hotel Kanishka at 9 p.m. on 20th June 2020. Please join the celebrations and merrymaking. Yours sincerely, Rohit. Okay. This is how children we write an informal invitation. Okay. Now let us see the reply of informal invitations, because whenever we get an invitation from our relatives, friends, we should reply it. Okay. And the reply may be positive or negative. Positive means if you are going to attend the party, the function, that will be your positive reply. If you are denying, that will be your negative reply. Now let us have a look of solved question, which is the reply to informal invitations. Question is, you are Akash Varsha. You have been invited to attend the wedding of your friend's sister during summer vacation. Respond to the invitation regretting your inability to attend it. Here, you have to show your inability to attend the function. Okay. Now, first of all, we write the address of the sender. Your address is 205 Vasant Kunj, New Delhi. Date is 5th June 2020. Then salutation, dear Neha. Thank you for your cordial invitation on the occasion of your sister's wedding. I, however, regret my inability to be with you on this happy occasion, as we shall be leaving for Shimla for summer holidays on 19 June 2020. Please excuse my absence. Do convey my regards and best wishes to the couple. Yours sincerely, Varsha Akash. It means girls will write Varsha while boys will write Akash. So this is the reply to informal invitation. Okay. Now let us have a look another example. Question is, you are Manoj Mini. You have been invited to attend a birthday party of your closest friend. Respond to this invitation. Now children, in the previous question we denied. We denied that we are not going to attend the function. Here we will accept the invitation and we will go to attend the function. So let us write the reply. First of all, our address 217 MIG Flats, Surya Vihar, New Delhi. Date 5th June 2020. Dear Shuchi, I have received your invitation for your birthday party on 10th June 2020 at 5 p.m. at Hotel Janpath. I am extremely happy to know that all our friends are likely to be there. I would like to confirm my participation. Then, looking forward to the momentous occasion. Yours sincerely, Manoj Mini. So children, this is how we write the reply to the informal invitations. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.